In this video, I will show you how you can reset your AirPods or your AirPods Pro. Now, first of all, just make sure that you have enough charge in your AirPods. If your AirPods are out of charge, just plug in your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes. Now, after you charge your AirPods, now just open the lid of your AirPods. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED of your AirPods case. Now as you can see, I've double tapped once. This is the second time and this is the third time. Now after the third time, you will see this orange LED light up on your AirPods case. Now this orange LED basically indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. But if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back of the AirPod, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, first of all, just open the lid of the AirPod, then press and hold on the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just press and hold the button at the back of the AirPod until the LED on your AirPods case turns orange. And once it turns from orange to white, then this indicates that you have completed the factory reset process on your AirPods. And this is how you can reset your AirPods or your AirPods Pro. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.